Number 7. Arrange in ascending order. 0.02, 0.2, 3 over 4, 0.25, 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 2. The best way to solve this question is to take them all to decimal. It's easier when you solve with decimal. If you're to take them to fractions, you'd have to find the LCM to know the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. This is already in decimal, this is already in decimal. This is a test of if you can convert a fraction to a decimal. So we have 3 over 4, 3 over 4 first. 3 is on top, that's the numerator, and the 4 is below. So you put your division sign, you can put 3 inside, the 4 outside. 4 is greater than 3, so we can't say 4 in 3. We'll have to put a 0 and a decimal, so as to have this as 30. 4 in 30, the closest is 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is higher because 4 times 8 is 32, which is higher than 30. So we have 4 times 7, that's 28. So we have 4 in 30 as 7. 4 times 7 is 28. So under the 30, you write the result of 4 times 7, which is 28. You subtract 30 minus 28. We start from the back. 0 minus 8. 8 is greater than 0. So you borrow 1 from this 3. You'll be left with 2. This is now 10. 10 minus 8 will give you 2. 2 minus 2 will give you 0. You can put a dot here. 4 is greater than 2. And since you've introduced the first decimal, you can just put a 0 here. 4 in 20 is 5. So the result of having 3 over 4 as decimal is 0.75. So 3 over 4 is also the same thing as 0.75. We converted 3 over 4 to decimal. We have a standard form, that's 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 2. We convert it to decimal also. 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 2. The same thing as you have your decimal at the back of 3. Since you have minus 2 or negative 2, you move it 2 times to the left. So we have 1, you put a 0 in front, 2, the decimal is here, you put a 0 in front of the decimal. Since you're having 3 as a whole number, the decimal is behind 3, so you move 2 steps to the left. 1, 2. So 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 2, which is in standard form, in decimal is 0.03. So this we have as 0.03. We now need to arrange all in ascending order. In ascending order means from the smallest to the greatest. 3 over 4 is also 0.75. So of all of these, which is the smallest? You have 0.02 is smaller than 0.2. You have 0.75. You have 0.25. You have 0.03. 0.02 is the smallest, so we'll take it first. 0.02. We're going in ascending order. The next is 0.03, which in this case is 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 2. So next we have 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 2. We've taken these 2, we have these 3 left. We have 0.2, 0.25, and 0.75. Of the 3, 0.75 is the greatest. So we have 0.02 and 0.25. Of 0.2 and 0.25, 0.25 is greater than 0.2. So we have 0.2 first. This has an extra 5 behind. We have 0.25, and the greatest is 0.75, which is also 3 over 4. So we have 3 over 4 behind. You converted 3 over 4 to its value as decimal, same as 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 2 from standard form to a decimal. When you're writing your results, you leave them in their initial states. This is still in standard form, while this is still as a fraction. Therefore, this is the result of having them in ascending order. Hope you understand.